beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky and I make beauty, fashion, fitness and blog related videos. So if you are interested in watching more of my videos, then please hit the subscribe button, comment below, like my video, and also share this video and my other videos with your families and friends through social media. My social media links will be below in the description box as usual. So in this video I will be sharing with you guys my favorites. So this is some of the favorites only. I have like few of them which I have been loving in my, and I thought of sharing this with you guys. So without further ado, let's begin. So yeah, I got it here with me, so let's go through these products. So first product which I have been loving in May, and since I bought this product, I think starting of May I bought this product, or end of April. So since then I have been using this product a lot, and this is by Lagunamoon. So this is Lagunamoon Skin Science Renew Expert Wrinkle Filling Day Cream, and this is a day cream which has SPF 15. Like it has 50 ml of products, and like you will see a huge difference in your skin after applying for 4 weeks. So it can help increase skin elasticity by up to 41%, the appearance of skin smoothness by up to 33%, and decrease the appearance of wrinkle depth by up to 29%. So I have seen a huge difference on my face, like literally I love it so much. And like I have tried this for the first time and I love it, and I will like buy it again. It's just like one of the L'Oreal creams, I think, but that one is really expensive. L'Oreal one, I think, I don't know, but I think it's expensive. But this one is really good, and like it's so affordable, and you can get this in LD stores here in Australia. It comes like this. It's exactly like L'Oreal one, and like it has 50 ml of product. It also says best before down here, and it is specially made for LD stores here in Australia, and like it contains 50 ml of product, and it says here Skin Expert offers you highly effective anti-aging skin care for day and night. So I have only day cream, and next time I will try night cream and let you guys know about night cream too. But this day cream is literally so good, it works for me, and I will rebuy this product. And it says here, apply Lagunamoon Skin Expert Day Cream in the morning after cleansing your face, neck and massage in gently. Avoid contact with eyes. If eye contact occurs, immediately rinse with water. So this is a wrinkle filling day cream which has SPF 15, and I think for this winter season I love it so much. I don't have to apply much of sunscreen. We all need sunscreen, doesn't matter it's winter time or summertime, but like I think for summer 50+ sunscreen is really good, but for winter it's good. We all need sun for winter. So yeah, this is Skin Science, and it literally price wise it is really affordable, and like I love it. My second favorite is this Morphe Natural Organic Orange Juice Hand Cream. So this cream is really good for winter season because our hands dry so quickly. So This is specially formulated hand cream with shea butter to give hydration and keep moisturized hands. Orange juice, chamomile and aloe vera extracts keep your hands revitalized, soft, and will help the skin on your hands regenerate. Very suitable to use on nails. You will feel moisturized skin and free oily sensation on hands. So it has 99.45% of all total ingredients are from natural origin. So like it has natural ingredients, and 23.22% of the total ingredients are from organic farming. So it has lots of great ingredients in here, and you can get this from nobe.com, and like it is so good. Let me try this now because I haven't applied any this morning, so let me apply. It's really good and smells so nice, like it's the orange smell. Smells really good. It has little bit product left, so I have to buy it again, and I will definitely rebuy this product because it's really good. And this product, like, it's all gone. I will show you guys. Like, look at this, it's all literally gone, and I have to buy it again because I love it so much. So next time I'll shop in LD, maybe tomorrow, so I will buy this again. So my third favorite is this cream. This is oil-free moisturizer. This has SPF 15. So this is by Neutrogena, and it is 115 ml. And I think I've talked about this before in my videos. So this is really good. My kids use this and like they love it so much, so I keep this cream in my bathroom, like everywhere you can find this cream. So this is oil free and it's good for acne, so I love to buy this all the time, and mostly I use this sometimes with this one, or like sometimes I use this alone, and sometimes I use this and sometimes this, but my whole family uses this cream. So this is very lightweight and it is non-greasy, and it has that formula which keeps your skin moisturized for 12 hours, and it has sun protection, UV SPF 15 sunscreen. So this product won't clog pores, and it is alcohol free, allergy tested, and fragrance free. And direction: apply all over face and neck, use daily along with or under your makeup. So you can apply alone, like for every day, or under your makeup is a moisturizer like we do always. Yeah, so this product is sold here in mostly all the pharmacies, chemists, and also in supermarkets. So this is really good and it's so affordable too. So my next favorite is this Makeup Revolution foundation. It's their stick foundation in the shade F6 and F7, and it comes like this. I think most of you guys must have used this foundation. Like, you should definitely get the right shade, because like these shades are literally so light for my skin. I have to mix and match my foundation together to get a perfect shade, but I usually mix these two together, and I have to get a more darker shade than this one. So this is their stick foundation, which is really good. It's very moisturizing, and it applies on your skin really well, and it's really good for winter season, and for fall season this is a very good foundation, because like you won't be sweating that much, and this is really good. I think in summer this foundation did work for me well, but this kind of weather, cooler weather, this foundation works really well because we don't sweat much in fall season. So price wise, Makeup Revolution's products are really good, and you must try, and you must try before you buy, because this foundation is really light if you buy online, but you definitely should get one darker shade, one lighter shade, to mix and match both together to get a perfect shade. That's what I do. So my next favorite is this foundation by Becca. And literally this foundation is just wow. I love this foundation for fall season, and like this one is in shade medium, and literally it's so luminous, and it instantly gives glow on your skin after applying, because it has that luminous glow ingredient in this foundation, which is so good. And like it's aqua luminous perfecting foundation, so it comes with a pump kind of applicator like this, and it instantly gives glow to your skin. Let me just show you guys. Just see, it gives instant glow, and like you don't need to apply lots of highlighter after applying this foundation, because it instantly glows your skin. And like literally I love this foundation for fall season, and you can buy this from Sephora, I think, and it's expensive, but I love it, and I think I will rebuy this foundation, and literally it's like one of my favorite for fall season. So moving on, the next favorite is this mascara, which I have been using a lot in my, so I thought of sharing this with you guys. This is Revlon's Volume Plus Length Magnified Mascara in the shade Black. It's like this, and this mascara is really good. I am wearing at the moment, and I love it so much. The applicator looks like this, and like it gives that instant fullness on your lashes. So this mascara is really good. You can build this mascara as much as you want. It will not smudge, and like it is long lasting, and it's affordable too. I think you can get in chemists and drugstores, and here I think you can get mostly in lots of places. So I really love this mascara. So my last favorite is this lipstick, which I just got in my Bella box, but like I shouldn't be showing you guys now, but like this is a lipstick I tried for the first time, and I am in love with this shade. So I thought, okay, like it's a lipstick, like for creams and moisturizers we have to try for a month or so to see the result, but this is a lipstick I have applied first time, and literally this is so beautiful. Like the shade is so gorgeous, and this is by Style London, and this one is in shade Rosewood. And like look at this, what you call, applicator bottle, like it has that marble design, and this shade is so beautiful. Let me swatch. I think I have swatched it in my unboxing video, and like this is so beautiful. I love this shade. This is rosy kind of shade, but like it is that mauvey nude kind of shade, which I love it. I don't know why, but I love mauvey shades. And this is really affordable too, I think, but I don't know. I have showed you guys in my Bella Box unboxing video my one. So this lipstick you can get in stylelondon.com, and it's very hydrating mousse matte lipstick. So when it dries, it will get matte after applying. So like, I love it so much. And like, it's very nude kind of shade, nude mauve kind of shade, which I love it. Like, that's my favorite kind of shade. So I hope you guys enjoyed my this favorites video, my favorites, and these were some of the stuffs which I have been loving a lot in my, and I hope you like it too. And if you do like my this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share with your families and friends, and join me on all social media sites. I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye.